Hi guys, today I going to do unboxing and review for Samsung soundbar model S50A. This is the one cartoon of Samsung soundbar model S50A. You can see in this video how they make the cartoon. There is a one handle also, you can carry to anywhere. And on the cartoon also there is mention or function, almost a feature mention on the cartoon. The 3.0 and DTS and whatever there is, the function features, all they're mentioned in the cartoon. Let's open the cartoon. Then guys, this speaker was I used before, for video I repack again. Actually original Samsung packing is very good condition. Just take it out thermocol. All accessories are available in the box. Let's see what accessories are included inside the box. It has multi-languages catalog and power cord. AC/DC power adapter, HDMI cable, remote control, two pieces of AA battery for remote, OTG cable for USB. Actually USB direct you cannot connect, you should use this cable. Wall mount stand, so you can hang your speaker on the wall. Okay, let's take soundbar from the cartoon. Wow, it is very nice, cute model and design, color, everything very attractive. Let's see input connection of the soundbar. It has HDMI ARC in, optical, power adapter in, micro USB. It has built-in subwoofer, that's why this holds for subwoofer. Wall mounting screw, you can fix this hole. Dolby Audio, DTS, HDMI mentioned on soundbar also. Let's see how can connect the flash memory. Flash memory you can connect it to OTG cable. Then OTG cable you can connect it to soundbar. This OTG cable included with the soundbar. Yeah, like this you can connect. Then after that you can play MP3 song via USB. Let's connect the power cord to AC/DC adapter. Then we can connect the adapter cord to soundbar. Now power cord we can plug in. Let's turn on the soundbar. Is power button, volume minus button, volume plus button, source button. When the source button is pressed, the speaker tells us which input is selected. You can hear it now.
USB, digital audio in, Bluetooth, USB.
Also it has built-in demo. If you press and hold 5 seconds volume plus button and source button, the demo music will work. Now you can hear the demo music.
Don't stop the music!
Let's see a review. Include inside the box soundbar main unit, remote and batteries, AC/DC adapter, power cord, wall mount guide and catalog, holder screw, bracket wall mount. It has a cute remote, those functions are available on the remote. Can SmartThings application through control soundbar. It has a USB, optical, HDMI, ARC in, weight 2.7 kg. Total 140 watts RMS and support to play format, Dolby Audio, DTS, Virtual X. It has Bluetooth multi connection. So same time you can connect the soundbar to two Bluetooth device. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give like and share. And if you have anything doubt, you can ask by comment. If you not yet subscribe this channel, please subscribe and enable bell icon for you getting new video future notifications. Thank you for watching.